Hi everyone, welcome to yet another video tutorial on vertical partitioning. So in this video we'll understand what vertical partitioning is and what are the main advantages and how we can achieve vertical partitioning in a database. So let's get started. Vertical partitioning is also known as column partitioning, and it is a database design technique that involves dividing a table into smaller tables that contain fewer columns. This can be done to improve the performance of queries and to reduce the amount of data that needs to be read and processed by the database. Let's say we have a large table that stores customer data for an e-commerce website. This table might contain columns for the customer's name, address, email, phone number, order history, and other relevant information. If we wanted to vertically partition this table, we might split it into smaller tables, one that contains the customer's personal information and another that contains their order history. There are several benefits to vertical partitioning. One of the main benefits is query performance. When a query is run on a large table with many columns, the database has to read and process a lot of data. By partitioning the table into smaller tables, we can reduce the amount of data that needs to be read and processed, which can significantly improve the performance of the query. Another benefit of vertical partitioning is that it can help with data management and organization. By separating the data into smaller tables, it is easier to manage and update the data, and it can also make it easier to understand the relationship between different pieces of data. There are also some potential drawbacks to vertical partitioning. One potential downside is that it can make it more difficult to run queries that involve data from multiple tables. For example, if we wanted to run a query that returns the customer's name and their order history, we would have to join the two tables together. This can be more complex and time consuming than running a query on a single large table. Overall, in a nutshell, vertical partitioning can be a useful tool for improving the performance and organization of a database. It is important to carefully consider the needs of your database and the types of queries that will run on it before deciding vertical partitioning is the right sole approach for your situation or not. And that's all about vertical partitioning. I hope you found this video on vertical partitioning helpful. If you have any question or would you like to learn more about vertical partitioning, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.